Okay, in today's video, we're looking at interior angles of a polygon. So if you're wondering what interior is, well, it's just the angle that's inside the shape here, and naturally the one on the outside is the exterior one. So let's get on with it. So as we know, well-known fact, all angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So here's a five-sided shape. Well, firstly, let's look at this cool trick you can do. We're going to split this up into three triangles. There's one, and there's two. 1, 2, 3. Well, we know all the angles here add up to 180 degrees. So if I've got three of them, well, we're going to get 3 times 180 degrees, and therefore in this five-sided shape, all angles are going to add up to 540 degrees. Here's a bit of a neater version showing it. It's a pentagon, has 5 sides, and there we are. Okay. Model. So what happens with a hexagon? Well, a hexagon's a five-sided shape, so let's have a look at it. One side, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, did I say 5? 6-sided. Think of the last question there. 6 sides. Well, how many triangles can I split it up into? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the triangles add up to 180. Well, we've got 4 of them, times that by 180, and therefore the sum of the interior angles is 4 times 180, and that's 720 degrees. Doesn't matter if it's regular. It only matters if it's regular if you want to find the interior angle. So when it's regular, they are all the same. But if it's irregular, you're not going to work out. You're not going to know what's what. Okay, practice question. I want you to finish these. Okay, I'll give you a little hint. We all know that a 4-sided shape makes 2 triangles, and 2 times 180 is 360. We all know that. So I want you to finish the rest, and then tell me what a 12-sided shape adds up to. See if you can spot the rule. Because I'm going to tell you the rule now in 3, 2, 1. So what you're going to find here is n minus 2 times 180. That's the rule. So if we had a 4-sided shape, 4 minus 2 times 180 is 360 degrees. Have a go at these practice questions. I'll give you a hint shortly. Do my exit quiz and now practice hints. If you're stuck on them, I'll give them to you now. Hints, there we are. So a regular polygon has 20 sides. Just substitute the rule in. 20 minus 2 is 18 times 180. That gives you your sum. And when it's regular, all angles are the same. So just find the sum, divide it by the n sides. That will help you for B. And then work out the size of the interior angles of a regular pentagon. Again, if you don't know these shapes, I recommend you go Google the number of lengths, but we get given this one here. I'm not going to do all the work for you. Find the number of sides and then just do n minus 2 times 180. And that gives you the sum of the total interior angles, but the question wants the size of each. And because they're all regular, you're just going to find the sum and divide it by n sides. And last but not least, well, we've got 2 five-sided shapes here. That's a tongue twister. Add them all up. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the total is 540. Take away the sum of those 4, and that's your answer. And here, don't be too scared with this. So you've got all these angles here. They all add to 9x equals our sum, 540. What's x going to be? And that's us done for today's lesson. Any issues, just comment away or get in touch with me via Google Classroom.